everybody. Me and my dad slash bearded practitioner slash Andy slash Andrew and me. My name is Kaden. We are doing an unboxing today. The unboxing is for Aleph Male, and we're gonna take these out real quick. Can you tell them where Aleph Male is from? Israel.
Yep. Where is Israel?
Israel is. Isn't Israel? Is that in the U.S.?
Nope. It's another country.
Is it another country?
Yep.
Oh.
Across the oceans.
That's cool.
It's across the Atlantic.
Atlantic
in the
Ocean?
Mideast. Yes.
Oh, is it South America or
No?
no?
No, that's
Farther.
It's further. Yes.
Oh wow. Well, thank you for giving us this, because that must take a lot of shipping to get it from across the world.
That's pretty cool, though, huh?
That's awesome.
What is on? We've done an unboxing for them before, and guess what they have? Ooh, very cool.
And our first thing will be
What's on it? What's on it?
This is the candle for 7 candles. This is
The menorah.
the menorah. The menorah is a holiday.
It's not a holiday.
Oh, sorry, not a holiday.
The menorah is a very sacred item.
Yes, it is very sacred. And there's a holiday that involves this instead of Christmas. Some people do Hanukkah. Hanukkah is where it has 8 days.
7.
You have to light every candle, and the candle should be on for 8 days until it's over.
You think so?
That's what it says, I mean.
Okay. But this is 7 candles because it is a sacred item. And what is the first ingredient? Tell me what the first ingredient on there is.
In Israel, handmade in Israel by Aleph Male. Ingredients: olive oil, almond oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oils of lavender, cedar, and bergamot.
Ooh, bergamot. Do you know what bergamot is?
No, I do not. What is bergamot?
It's actually like an orange. It's a citrus fruit.
Oh, ooh, like there is a fruit.
Kinda
Isn't
like
there
an
a fruit
orange.
called citrus?
No.
Oh.
There is bergamot is part of the citrus family.
All right.
So is an orange.
So
is a
now
lime.
we're gonna
So is a lemon.
open this up, and we're gonna start the sniffy sniff.
And notice that olive oil is the main ingredient, which is the main ingredient that is sacred inside of the menorah.
It smells very strong.
What do you think it smells like?
I feel like it smells just a little bit, a tiny bit of mint, tiny bit.
You think it smells minty?
I feel like it smells minty. I feel like it
Sometimes
has that
things.
upper
Let's see it.
thing.
Let's see it.
We don't have to say
Okay, put your little hand out. See.
And it always smells different when it's on you, so this could.
Put it a little bit on your hand.
Yeah.
There you go. Ooh, that's a really nice oil. What do you think? Now rub it in. Now what do you think it smells like?
Actually, the exact same. Just it doesn't smell as minty anymore. It smells more like tree.
Cedar.
Cedar.
Yep. Because it's like a lush forest smell, which is.
It's an amazing smell. You guys
so
should
I want you to
definitely
smell
get
this. This is cedarwood. So this is from Texas. There you go. Does that smell like that? Same thing?
Not even close.
Not even close.
Not even close.
Interesting. Well, this is Texas cedarwood, so
this
must
could
be
just
different.
be like different cedar wood.
Yep,
but
I think so.
It smells amazing now. You need to burn
Very
that
good.
in the diffuser. And we have another one called King's Blessing Beard Oil.
Ooh, what's that one having in it?
Ingredients: olive oil,
Olive oil again?
vitamin E oil, essential oils of jasmine and sage. Ooh.
King's Blessing.
Jinx.
See what does it have in it? Sage. I love sage. Inspired by King David's journey through the hills of Judea, where 2 plants with incredible fragrance grow, which is sage and jasmine.
Oh, haven't we grown jasmine?
We do. We have it actually right outside. That's the plant that my wife grows outside in our garden.
It's a very amazing plant.
And it blooms pretty much in the spring.
Spring.
And then the other part of the year it doesn't flower. But it flowers in the spring here. So what do you think?
And we're gonna open this up. This did have a protecting, and we haven't smelt this yet because we never took this wrapper off.
I don't think we smelled the other one either.
Did we smell this one?
I bet you we did. You're right.
And we're ready to smell. Oh,
Jasmine and
Jasmine.
sage.
there is so much jasmine.
You love it?
Jasmine.
I
Every
have it.
time it's like
Smell it.
winter or springtime, I smell this smell out in the garden.
That is really
I
good.
smell jasmine. I smell jasmine. I have to just say it right now. I smell jasmine.
That's really nice. I really like that.
Do you smell the jasmine?
Yeah, totally. And I smell the sage, which the sage is something that is actually something we cook with. And here in Arizona, there's a lot of sage. So let's go check out the bombs.
We're bombs.
We're the bombs? Yes, we're the bombs. Look what it also has on it. It has a very pretty picture of the menorah again.
Alright, so these are just the bomb versions of these. But if you didn't know,
Let's see. Oh,
these always are 50-50.
you think they smell like something else?
And now, ingredients. Oh, it's different ingredients for bulk or tough. Ingredients: coconut oil, shea butter, beeswax, olive oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oils of lavender, cedar, and bergamot.
So it has the same.
Coconut oil.
So coconut oil, yes, because that goes into what?
Isn't that like that? Can't that like turn into like? It doesn't that go into wax?
No, coconut oil, it comes from coconuts, but it is a main ingredient on many types of oils like this in bombs because it is able to be used
Ready for it?
easier.
The professional way.
Oh.
This better not be one of those ones that. Is this one of them? It's a pull of one again!
You did it again. Okay. You're like, okay, Mr. Professional, like lifter of the ones without the screw tops.
Like,
Okay.
I'm always like thinking like, oh, it's one of these. Professional.
Well, you still got it off.
Oh wait, it still screws off. Wait, Dad, it still screws off just doing that.
Ooh. it was
So my
screw-
professional way still does work.
You
Hallelujah.
are good. You are good.
Hallelujah, living
Oh,
Lord.
you're right. It is a total screw it off top. You must have.
Wait, then how did I pull it off?
Oh, I don't know. I think you did it anyway.
I think it's because I unscrewed it a little bit.
I think you're right. I think you unscrewed it a lot, and then it just needed to come off. Okay, let's try it again.
Did I?
Oh, now you got to unscrew it again. You got to do your secret method again. Okay, now what does it
Yep,
smell
that
like?
was why.
Okay, what does it smell like?
Very clean. Very clean. A very
Does it smell
a
like the
light
other?
smell. Light smell
it?
though.
It's a little bit lighter.
Lighter than these.
I don't know. I still smell the good
I
smell of
still smell the good smell. Like,
the cedar. I can smell the citrus.
I smell citrus.
Of the bergamot. Now I can smell the citrus
No, let's
and
pour,
the
let's put it on.
cedar.
Let's put it on.
I'm gonna try a little bit of that. And what kind of bomb? Ooh, it's a little. Oh, it's a little hard. Not bad. It's a little like on a medium
Ooh,
side.
I'll get out
Look
of
at
it.
that. It's more of a medium. That's nice.
Exactly like this.
Yeah.
It smells exactly.
It's nice, huh?
It's such a nice smell.
Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, let's try that out.
Now.
These are really good. I really enjoyed these. What do you think?
Oh wait, no. That's
What?
a copyrighted song.
Oh no, it's a copyrighted song, David. I don't think anybody knows what that is. Go ahead. What does it smell like? Does that smell like jasmine and sage?
I don't smell sage. All I smell is jasmine. That's literally all I smell. I feel like this thing is made out of jasmine.
Well, let's try it. Let's check it out.
This smells amazing. I'm just saying, like, I love to smell jasmine. Jasmine has such an amazing smell. This is a very strong smell of jasmine, and it's amazing.
I like jasmine and sage.
I don't know why I'm being so quick. Like,
Oh, I can still smell the sage in it.
I still smell. I only smell butter.
I think I smell
I can't believe
the jasmine
I can't
and
believe
the
it's not
sage.
wait,
I really like sage though.
Yeah.
I think sage is one of my
I
favorites.
can't believe it's not butter.
No, it's because it's a bomb. You're hilarious. Okay, what do you have to say? Anything?
to
So that's
say-
what we're gonna try this week.
I have to say.
So what are you gonna try this
Oh
week?
my goodness, I'm thinking of a song, but I don't want to get copyrighted. I'm sad.
You keep thinking of songs that you're gonna sing that are copyrighted.
They're literally every single one's copyrighted that I'm thinking of right now. I
What
would.
song were you thinking of?
I forgot.
Oh, it's okay. Well, what do you have to say? What is going
Oh
on
wait,
this
I
week,
know.
Mr.
I
Sir?
was saying I feel better now.
You feel better now?
Just like you know the song, better now. Better, 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 better. Wow, better, better, wow.
That's the name of the song.
No, it's Better Now, but Post Malone.
Ooh, Post Malone song. He was in concert like on Saturday or Friday in Phoenix.
We need
Okay.
to get approval to not get copyrighted. Because I have so many songs. We need to get approval to not get copyrighted for that old TV show that goes, wait, I don't even think that's copyrighted, but da-na-na.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Was that
not.
copyrighted?
Probably not.
Well, anyways, goodbye, everybody. I hope you had a great day. Make sure to subscribe and like.
And like the notifications.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
And hit the notification button.
Hit the notification button.
And what else?
You're going to see more of these. I think this is video number 4, actually.
4 or 5.
And are you ready? 3, 2, 1. 1 sec. 3, 2, 1. Na, na, na,
All right, GoPro, stop.
na, 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 na.
GoPro's not stopping.